Welcome to Patient Guard. Today we're diving into an essential topic for medical device manufacturers, understanding the General Safety and Performance Requirements, GSPRs, under the EU Medical Device Regulation. GSPRs are the backbone of EU MDR compliance, ensuring that all medical devices meet strict safety and performance standards before they hit the market. These requirements are grouped into three categories: general safety, design and manufacturing, and information requirements. Each device must pass these checks before approval. So, how do manufacturers ensure compliance? Risk assessments, robust quality management systems, and comprehensive documentation are critical to meeting GSPR standards. Ignoring these requirements can lead to delays, recalls, and even market restrictions. That's why staying compliant is crucial for success. Need expert guidance on navigating EU MDR compliance? Visit Patient Guard's website for more information, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates in medical device regulations.